Whiskers.
Hi, Whiskers.
Cora, did you get attacked by a puppy? Yeah. Tough. Puppies are mean, huh?
Whiskers is the one that we're always trying to keep from eating.
Hey, Cora Belle. Cora, come on. Want to sit on Daddy's lap? Mama just has a couple more to do and then she'll be done, okay? Go play in your sandbox for a couple more minutes. Puppies are all out of there.
She's very curious.
Escape artist.
Yeah.
Smart.
She wants to eat all the things she's not supposed to be eating. Yeah. I think they're all about to fall asleep after their food. Yeah.
We should do the next little video sesh before they're fed.
Right?
Little gremlins to little angels.